What's up, YouTube? Another Stone Jamaican streaming Battlefield 5. Alright, where we everybody at? Big Scotty here. Okay, Squiggy, answer the question, dude. MG, think about it as well, alright? What did Tarzan say when he saw the elephants coming up the road? Think about it. Think about it, dude. That toothache make you hearing things, man. I didn't say nothing about no. Alright. What the fuck? I went black screen got up and
I just got kicked. Yeah, I did. Yeah, were you guys in a, like an empty server?
Was it empty?
Why is that? Yeah. Yo, I'll join. I know how to join a server where there's room and shit, a lot of people.
No, but there's a.
I mean, what's the problem?
No, but hold on. Probably the game just finished. Probably the game just finished or some shit. Probably the game just finished.
Oh, maybe it's. Oh, is that what it is? Okay.
Probably just finished because John was in a queue for a little while.
Yeah.
No, the game probably just finished, dude. So we were waiting for a long time.
Yeah. I had just grabbed the pad and I thought I am fucking close. I'm about to smoke more, dude. But I fucking thought I got kicked. I went and got coffee. I'm sorry. It's getting kind of hack. It's getting kind of hacky.
You can't hack it. Oh, Big Scott, this joke is for you too, man.
Sir.
What did the elephant? What did Tarzan say? What did Tarzan say when he saw the elephants coming up the road?
What?
He said, "Look, there's some elephants coming up the road." No, it's not. It's not. You wouldn't think of that. And then he said, "What did Tarzan say when he saw the elephant come the road with some sunglasses on?"
No, you're big.
Nobody knew. The guy said he couldn't say nothing because he didn't recognize them.
Oh shit.
Okay, guys, Alpha is their spawn.
It's machine
We got
gun
tanks
Kelly.
in the back. Oh, that's not friend.
I'm with Orlando machine gun. Hey, listen.
We got a guy down here.
Hey, listen. How come we own every base? Like, talk to me. Like, I'm flying. I need to know what's up. I don't see shit.
Look, there's a lot of guys over there. Look at them.
Where?
Across. On the hillside.
Right here? Where, here? Up here?
Got one.
Over here you talking?
Yeah, straight across
right?
Alpha. They're on Alpha as well, man. They're straight across Alpha and on Alpha.
Yeah, I'm
just
kind of
reached
an
level
amateur. There's something about this map, it's fucked. Like, why do we own every... Is this
It
not
start like that.
conquest, dude?
Yeah, it start like that.
I mean,
Oh, look at this bitch lying down.
So every flag is just blue.
Yeah, it start off like that, dude. You have to spread out. Oh, we got a guy right here.
I don't fucking get this. I played this game since before it came out, too.
Got you.
Yeah, I remember that about... It's this map that does that shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, start off like this.
I don't know what it is, dude.
Sometimes if you're on the enemy team, it will make you
Oh, I got a fucking cannon.
try to break out and shit like that. Hey, we got a truck.
Oh, fuck yeah! Dude, I got a cannon, yo. Can spawn me and use this if you ain't use it.
Yeah, use that shit. Hey, I use that shit to take down airplanes all the while and tank.
Oh, shit.
We got a guy down there in the valley. Across from Alpha. Look at him. Right side. You see him? He's running. Right side. Right. Over there, yeah.
Over there?
Yes, sir. Same position. I need some ammo, though. Wait,
I don't even know what base I'm in, so I gotta get off this weapon. Oh, there's Alpha. Oh,
Here plane.
Shut up.
Let's try to snipe him out the goddamn cockpit. We're losing Bravo.
Okay, so tell me again, why do we want every base off to get the
Yeah, that's how the game start off on this map. Sometimes if you're on the opposite team, you start just like this. They got everything, so you got break out and take objective. So normally what I do, if I'm on the enemy team now, I go for the farthest objective across the map. Like in a plane or something like that, you know. We got planes coming, we got planes, we got 2 planes right here. Down Bravo, down Bravo, they took Bravo.
I'll move with you, I'm not gonna be that close to you, bro. You know how I got a shit weapon on, because I was a pilot. Oh shit, heads up! Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me. I thought that was closer than that. Alright, cover me, MG, I'm going to Bravo.
Got this bitch across on the big gun. There's a guy across on the big gun, across from Bravo.
I'll start my broadcast, because this is going to be cool.
See that big gun across from Bravo, guys?
I forgot how good this is. You know what I mean?
Can't get his head shot.
Fuck.
It's good. It's good.
Doing the video with RTX technology are phenomenal, dude. Fucking wow, this is about graphics.
Hey, we got guys the left side, Bravo across. Got one. There's another one over there. Yeah, I got that guy that he's trying to kill. We got another one on the left side of the guy just killed. Kelly.
That weapon shit.
You see that? You see that tank over there? I got snipers way across. Look at them, Kelly. Way across.
Yeah, I'm gonna be sniping. This is a great sniper, man. I got a 500-yard headshot.
Hey, dude, I did something that you didn't do, man. I'm telling you, I'm not both. Oh, headshot! I'm telling you something. I got a fucking headshot, 400 and plus meters, without a scope. Oh, I got sniped.
Oh no shit. Yeah.
I'm hanging on, Scott, but I don't want you to pick me up.
Sniped from the left.
Yeah, stay there. Scott, don't pick me up. Don't pick me up. Don't.
Come on, man. Come on, get up, brother. Let's go. I don't care.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man.
They're across from Bravo.
Oh.
He killed me, so I thought he may have eyes on him. He's across from Bravo, and he's dead.
We're surrounded. We got targets everywhere, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, look at that one on Bravo right here. Pitch. Look at this motherfucker. Come on.
Look, I got targets right here.
Pop your head up.
Yeah, Bravo. Yeah, they're popping their head up. That's the funny. I'm waiting for them too.
Got one. It's gonna be a hot stream tonight. It's gonna be a hot stream tonight. It's gonna be a hard stream. Across from Alpha, Bravo again. Across. Look at them. 2 guys coming over. One lay down right there. Look at him. Come on, he moved. There's 2 right here.
So just pick off your targets.
Yeah, I'm just picking what I can get, man. That guy's right by the box again. Look at him.
Here. This guy's crawling over here. Holy shit.
That guy's right behind that fucking thing right there. I need some ammo. God damn it. Look at these guys. Look at these motherfuckers here. Hey, Squiggy. You better go pick the copy up tomorrow, man. Come on, that bitch. Okay, I'm on ammo. I need to go up to Bravo, Alpha, somewhere go get ammo. Oh, we got tank.
Oh yeah.
Tanker gunner dead.
I just turned my volume up so I can hear.
We're losing Alpha. Oh shit, where'd that come from?
Where is this person? It's a tank? Oh jeez. I'm just gonna bleed out. I'm gonna get to the spot. I'm gonna be working alone probably as a sniper.
Nah, I'm here sniping with you.
What you want?
Nah, I'm here as well. I'm cleaning up Bravo. I just went to get ammo. I'm coming back to Bravo now. You picked me up, remember? And I'm still alive, man. I'm still alive.
Yeah, I'm gonna spawn a Delta and overlook Bravo. That's just gonna be a higher elevation.
Oh, just got a bitch.
Huh.
Oh yeah, tank. Oh shit, enemy tank right by me. Oh shit! Oh shit! I need to move. This motherfucking tank right by me. This bitch trying to kill me. This bitch is trying to kill us. I'm moving. Where you guys at, Delta, you say? I'm looking back over Bravo again. They're taking Alpha too.
We have taken objective Beta.
Got problems at Delta. I heard my buddy next to me get killed. Yeah, I think it's a friendly team.
Oh. Down Delta, down Delta. Look at this guy. Give me a tag.
I just took 2 of these.
Come on!
Yeah, I'm in
This
a wicked spot,
bitch!
taking the flag for it too.
Objective Emil has been lost.
Oh yeah, Big Mike.
This is a great spot.
He just took fire, man, so I couldn't spawn on you. He just took fire.
Yeah, I know I did.
This guy outside of Delta, I want to go get his ass. Trying to take his stack just now, they turn around and shot me.
Both those guys, I took both those guys' tags. Couldn't come back.
He was over here somewhere. Where the fuck did he go?
Oh, Charlie's out.
How the hell did I shoot? Hello. Heading over Charlie's side, buddy. Let's go. Down Delta, down Delta, down Delta. Somebody's on Delta.
No, I'm here.
I'm watching over. I'm looking. Oh, he's in front of you. Right there. On the left side, Scott. He went to the left.
I got him.
Yep, up that side. He went up that side somewhere.
Yeah, he threw a grenade here to me coming.
You got him?
Nah, there's 2 of them. There's one guy with us. So.
Oh, I forgot to change my sniper rifle. Shit.
I'm gonna bleed out. I'm just gonna bleed out. Kill him. Yeah.
Yeah.
He wasn't gonna. If you revived me, you would have been a bad fit.
We have now taken objective Beta.
I downloaded it. They gave it to me 5 days early. I got deluxe package for free. So, yeah, I had
Oh, see a guy right here.
Objective Dora has been lost.
Oh man. This is not a good spot. 2 guys in the.
And you forgot beard.
I want to get some distance. I'm gonna go with MG. He's usually in a pretty sneaky spot. I see you up there.
Tesa is now ours.
Yeah.
Objective Gustav
The
is
guy
lost.
got in Delta. I can't see his ass.
Yeah,
Okay, you guys are just right here.
Is this the high ground MG? It is over there. Yep.
Fuck.
That's a nice range.
I got a guy in Delta. LMG up top. LMG up top. Oh, what's this? Still losing Delta. Guys over Delta. You know?
I see Orlando.
There's a guy. There's a guy. Oh fuck. Oh, spot assist off that. I'm going over. I'm going over. I have to change my sniper rifle though. I reached level 10 on this one. I have to do the other one now. Oh, the hammer crit.
Yeah.
Beware, we have lost objective Anton. We have taken objective Emil.
Oh, that's my
Which way?
Objective Dora is ours.
somebody on
I'm
a
going
Kano
Alpha
guy
back
marked
to Alpha Bravo.
Attention.
Oh, I'm squad
my
leader.
target
What the
is
fuck?
Delta.
Aufpassen! Da ist Gefahr!
Oh man, there's a guy at that canyon over at Delta overlooking the bridge. Just so you
I
know.
got on Bravo side too. Alpha Bravo. We got tank down the ravine.
Oh, I hit him. Oh shit.
Yeah, they hitting them.
Yeah, man, it's all they're shooting at me. I got you.
Got another one.
I know that guy fell.
John Alpha. Oh shit, behind! Alright.
Alright, man.
See the bitch. Just put him. Come on, reload, reload! Oh, 92 on that bitch. Wanna go get some ammo, I'm scared though. Fuck it. Just a video game.
Good work. Objective email is now ours.
Singara still in here? Let me see. Sorry, Singara, just got some new messages. Yeah. Let me see where he is, man. It is. You know where
Guy
I'm
over there in the hill.
Singara.
Ja, das ist gefährlich.
Taking objective Anton.
I got Alpha.
Let's see if
Hey, Scott.
fine.
Scott.
Yes.
From you
Yes.
pick me up, I've not died. Oh shit, talk too soon. Motherfucker shouting at me now. I need a I need. Oh shit.
We have lost objective email.
Where's the medic back? Where's the medic? No medic over here, just ammo? Yep, got a kill on that bitch.
Objective Dora has been lost.
I'm looking over Charles. Oh, we got a truck going in Delta. And a medic.
Objective reading is now ours.
Fuck.
Just medic yourself. Can you do it as a sniper even?
Hmm?
Oh. Medicing yourself?
Yeah. Take indeed.
Yeah, I'm with you. That's where it's all.
We got a tank. I hear a tank.
Yeah. There it is. I just marked him.
I ain't got shit for him.
The high.
We live it now. Tank is dead.
Gefahr!
I
Da
had it.
drüben!
Remember?
Objective email is now ours.
4. Oh shit, dude, I'm on a roll. This guy's here still, fuck. Guy still on Delta. In a rock and a hard place. Oh, they finally killed me. They finally killed me. Look at that. Oh my god. I went on a kill streak. I'm hanging on. Can't even hang on no longer. Alright, where you at? Let me change the sniper rifle now. Which one next? The crack jagging, whatever the hell it is. Alright. What is this? Got guys on Delta. Right on Delta, look at them. Look at him by the flag on Delta. Flag, by the flag. Headshot! You stopped my streak, I found your ass, bitch. Toom, toom, toom. Look at the guys on the truck. Oh shit, where's that big gun? Where's that fucking gun? Come here, quick, 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 quick. Fire! Blood clot, what did I hit? Where did he go, Marcus? There's a guy over there. Can I turn this to Delta? I can't. There's another truck going up. Oh, come on, come on! On my back! Tank! It isn't true.
Good job, we have taken objective Gustav.
Can't spawn on Gulf. Oh my god, they just shot this plane down as it's about to lift off.
Erobern wir dieses Ziel.
Come on, jump over, man! Enemies are here.
Good job, objective Caesar is ours.
I'm taking myself to the floor. Take up a sit on the floor. Take them up. Point my bin. We didn't even make it best squad. JR, I kicked a storm on that stream, boy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I did about 15 and 2. When I died, I went 14 and 1, or 14 kill streak, then I got killed.
I'm gonna kill 1.
Now, what's the score? I did 15 and 3. That's awesome. Well,
I'm coming in. Nice.
Yeah,
GTA.
I can't drink. Marcus, I should pick it. Inte jag då sit down and play a game då. I'm sure you Shanik till what you say me and 2 different man me the parent in ya. If You know nothing from now, you get hold of think you're going up though. You have to work this woman, you're nasty. You're sitting in your house. You know, and then
Alright. Put this on here. Let me see if I can get into a plane.
Good show. Objective Able taken.
okay, I'm gonna use a medic.
Oh, he crashed into me.
First soldier.
I use the assault weapon.
Crashed.
Attention, we have now taken Objective Baker.
Choose a different weapon now. Something with distance though. This shit just for close range.
Close range? No, this is
No, I'm saying this weapon that I'm using is for close range. I should have used a different one. Oh shit. I almost got killed. The guys on the left. On the right.
Yeah, I know.
Shot the grenade, I got fucked up. I got him back. Same guy that killed me, I get him with a grenade. Oh!
Look at this guy come stand right
Put it
behind
down.
me.
No, you better that there. Put on this up now. I'm gonna beat. Thing is you and I'm not here.
That's not eating.
Look up, me know you fuck all, friend. You shut him up, man. You chat too much.
Got him, Mad Max.
Alright, where we at?
Nice.
I need a DMR type of weapon.
I'm trying to get.
Oh shit, left side! Oh my god!
Yep.
I'm hanging on.
Where you at? Come on, pick him up.
Hope you don't take my gun, boy.
No, I didn't. I don't want to take your gun. I got my stove mount.
Okay, we've been surrounded, Josh. Look at the bitch over there, look at it. Straight across. Come on.
I'm trying to get a.
Might have a problem over there.
We got a guy in the middle of the flag. Couple guys in the middle of the flag. Couple guys in the middle of the flag. Got hit, got hit. Sniper. Oh my god, I saw him just as I saw him. I'm dead. I'm hanging on, GR.
Please, I need help.
Where you at? Okay.
Behind you.
Yeah. Go on.
I'm fucking dying here.
Oh, I'm getting hit.
Medic!
Come on.
Oh, yeah, cover.
Get up. Yeah.
Hey, watch that left, watch that left. Where's the sniper hit me from?
Yeah, I know. This guy's here.
The sniper right here. The sniper in the house.
Oh, shit.
This fucking rocket launcher sucks. Oh, water launcher shot.
I'm hurting big time. I need medic.
Yeah, sniper's at the back.
So
That
bad.
sniper's at the back of the fucking thing over there. Look at it.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
He's coming down over our body. Big
Help
stack
me,
body too.
someone!
He's coming.
You gotta help me!
Yeah. Okay. You got you too?
Keep it up. We have enough
Probably a different sniper got me.
sway the outcome of this fight.
They're coming that way. All right. I'm gonna.
What Big Scott doing?
I gotta.
Big Scott just standing here.
I'm
Oh,
gonna,
he's in the spawn.
I'm gonna take my. I'm I'm just going on this mountain. I'm going around this way. They're coming around this way. From the left, going there. I can hear them. Here they come.
Soldiers, we are losing objective Able.
Oh, in my back. He's camping. Oh, man. Camping. There's a bunch of them.
I hear them gunfire going off and shit.
Man. Hey, he's right near my body.
He's picking up people. Double! Launcher, you piat in your blood clot.
Objective easy is now ours.
Yeah, man.
Know that we have lost objective Dog.
I piat them both the JR, but they're picking up the guy around the other. Piat his blood clot. Double on it.
We have taken objective Charlie.
I ain't running, bitch. Boy, you better run. I'm staying and dying like a man. With my honor intact. Hey, right side, down the valley, coming up. As well. Got you, bitch. Got a hit on you, bitch. Push Blueberry. Fuck! Machine gun are pinning me down across. Blueberry fucked him up.
Let's see how far I can throw this grenade. Let's see this.
The objective's been taken! Soldiers! Grenade from us!
On wheel.
I'm going.
Mine dropped short.
I'm going across. Yeah, you
I'm
want
on the way.
Echo?
Delta.
Left Echo?
Guy right there.
Oh man, behind my back.
Oh, I got him with a grenade. One behind my back too.
Dude, we left Echo wide open. We're spinning around.
Everywhere! Fucking help me!
Look, the game bugging out again.
Yeah, you can't spawn on anybody.
Who's
They can
bugging
spawn,
out?
but it does bugging out. It's just like doing that fucking
Yeah.
you Gucci shit. Let's use.
You know how to fix it.
I use this shit. Next round, I use the other one.
So?
And the plane.
So got GRB back in the game.
Yeah? I'm here.
Yeah.
Not doing too good right
I was
now.
in
but
Bravo.
I'm here. Come on, man.
Oh, yeah, who's that over here? Got a whole squad coming in on you, dude.
You know, Brooklyn's got a basketball team now, right?
Right, go now!
Oh, they've had a basketball team.
We've been flanked all over, man.
Of course you know, right? You know, 1 in 4 people in the United States are born in Brooklyn, right?
Hell no. Most of them are born in Mexico now.
The, that's funny. Mayor Giuliani said that one time. He had him on stump on his side. He's like, 1 in 4 people in the United States originated out of Brooklyn. You know what I mean? Like, I was like, you know? And then he paused. Nobody said nothing, right?
Yeah.
And he's like, I got you. Yeah. He's a smart fella. Giuliani guy. Slick dude.
Oh, yeah. Charlie or something.
I have to come back with a different thing. I'm going sniping for this bitch.
No, I'm using my robe. But these little bit. Got him. They keep flanking us from the back, and but they got the.
Oh shit,
I
I'm gonna
lost my
stand out
rifle
stuff for
cover.
this shit. Alright, where we at?
Got you too, buddy. I'll get a medic, and I'll get a medic
Whoa, plane fucked up everybody right here in front of me.
You guys ever seen the first website in the world ever created?
First what?
First website ever. There's no pictures.
Lost objective
You know what I
Able.
mean? It's just for images, you know? It's just some guy.
They're coming up the track. Oh my god.
You know? But he's involved there. Yeah, I got my friends in the computer, you know, computer nerds are. They know all
Don't
that
even
cool
pick me
shit.
up. Don't even pick me up. There's a whole team coming up.
It's alright.
Yeah. You know, you type in my name in Google or YouTube, I'm the only one in the world. It's so cool.
Me too, man. Me too.
Oh, really? Oh, that's cool, right? No.
Heads up,
An
grenade out!
MGK saw 722. Well, that's just. That's tons of that. Shoot.
Fuck, I'm reloading.
Hey,
Go right in front of me, right in front of me, right in front of me.
Plan for Battlefield 5 or no?
Down my left.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Take your time, man. It'd be nice to have you. You know? Eventually we'll shift in this game, because Battlefield 4 is getting screwed by this game, too, ultimately, which is even more ironic. Because now you have to have one person
Battlefield 4 can't die, man.
in order for the... Well, I know, I love the game. But you gotta have one person in the server, right, in order for it to show up at all. What?
I'm looking down in Alpha, I don't see nobody yet. Oh shit, I see fucker, he hit me. Fucking hit me, move! Got you, bitch.
I got a squad killer stuff.
Motherfucker.
Come on, man. Oh, let's go.
Objective dog is ours.
Watch Alpha, man. They're on Alpha. They got the Alpha. They're spawning there. They get off that flat gun.
Let's go. You off the flag? Oh shit,
Here's
okay.
where they're coming in.
I hear you, I hear you.
The guys at the back. Guy at the back.
Coming in from Charlie here.
Guy at the back of Alpha.
This guy's
Trouble!
snipers.
And I'm gonna unfriend that Shangira, man. He always join the party, don't say fuck all, just holding up space.
No, he's got no mic. He messaged me.
He got
messaged the
mic.
whole party, I think.
Throwing grenade out!
Yeah, he just don't always talk.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Objective A.
He was in the game, I think, though. He was in Battlefield 5. He'll get in your game and stuff, but our squad, I think, is full. So.
Are you kidding me?
I hear you, though.
You killed both of us this time.
I hear you, though. You're right, because you know what? You're right, because if you don't have a mic most of the time, you kind of
You can't communicate.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Let's say on a Friday night, you know, it's not like it's
We have
Tuesday
lost
morning,
objective
8 in the morning.
Guys on the hill.
I haven't invited anybody. What's wrong with that? We got plenty of room. Oh, there.
Let's kill that guy up there.
Look, there!
He's like doubled over, right? Hey, it works for the Muslims, right? The white, you know what I mean? They rock white.
Bloody
Fuck
brother
out the
over
sun.
there!
Taken objective
The raven. I
Charlie.
don't know. It's so bright outside, you know what I mean? With the sun hitting the snow and shit, it's unreal. I have blankets over all my windows and wooden blinds, thick wooden blinds.
Oh, see, I don't have that problem down here.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
so many windows. Yeah, I knew you said it before.
yeah. That's all. I got blackout curtains behind me.
Uh-huh.
I play on TV, so
Nice. Very nice.
I have to have
I'm
the
dying!
I have to
Please!
have the
I need
blackout
help!
curtains. Because you get the glare.
It does block out quite a bit of the sun.
Objective Charlie.
Oh, blackout curtains. I mean, it'll be pitch black during the day if I close every one of them.
You actually go to blinds.com.
They're not cheap, but they
Just let me blind you.
Objective Charlie has been lost.
come on this way because
We have now taken
get up
objective
on the mountain.
Baker.
Get up there. Get up there. Get up there.
Oh shit, they got Delta.
Oh shit. I haven't been able to see anybody yet. Watch.
Move! Capture the objective!
This guy just jumped right in front of me and somebody else killed him. I shot the shit out of him. kill, but I'm going around to Echo.
We must capture the objective.
We have taken objective dog.
Let's capture the objective.
That plane just flashed like that's sick.
Here goes the snow.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No storm. Got a flat gun, got a flat gun.
Yep, he just shot me up.
Oh, I got hit on him. And the guy on the left killed me.
Can't see him.
Got smoked, dude.
Soldiers, we
The
have
dude's
lost
on me, man.
objective
Whoever's bringing me back. That dude's old.
Got one of them.
There's stuff going on. Fatal.
Oh yeah, that means he got killed and he got picked up and got killed again.
Guy across, guy across. LMG dead.
Yeah, this is
Camping all over in the snowstorm.
Objective dog has
Yeah.
been lost.
Danger, right there.
Yeah, I can't use this thing.
What the fuck is that?
Assault, whatever that's called.
They're coming from back here, man.
Down here, down here, down here. Oh, I couldn't even chuck the grenade. I couldn't even chuck the grenade.
Where is he?
He's laying down right by my dead body.
The battle's half won. Keep going.
I'm fucking dying here.
They're lying all around. Don't pick me up. I don't think it's gonna be
Oh,
nice.
I can't.
Like I said,
Oh, I got El
Okay.
Curia going there.
let me change this weapon to something else.
Beware, we have lost objective Able.
Oh my god.
They're coming to Bravo hot, man.
Yeah,
I see him.
I killed one of them.
He's pretty nice.
Go right here, go right here.
Well, I got a ping. Yeah, call
Hey,
it
the other
out.
side,
Oh, I
there's
can
a
see you
whole
guys.
No grenade.
I see you guys.
Jeez.
Let me know if it's back to on fire over you guys. You need help in D, is it?
Pick me up, maybe.
Where you go? Where you go? D?
Oh shit.
Oh, I will go there. You can't really see it. Does the snow go away or no? You guys know.
Yeah, for a little while, I guess.
Oh. Like the sandstorm. Oh, I'm gonna light up fucking A, man. I see what's up.
Oh, they're behind us.
Oh, I hit the fucking mountain.
Oh, come on, man.
I was just jumping out, too. Oh, no flying here. That's no fly zone.
I see a plane, I'm taking
They
it.
just took off.
Yeah, I couldn't see nothing.
On Bravo.
But forget about that on Bravo.
I saw
We've taken objective Able.
This snow
Look at them, look at fucking how many down there. Bombs
Bravo,
away.
they're all over the place.
Nothing! That's hit markers,
Can't
what
even
the hell?
see. This is stupid though, you can't see nothing.
No, I might crash in this fucking mountain in a minute.
I know. Terrible. Bad enough you can't tell if it's our guys or
They were just flying.
enemy. This is worse than outside in Lockwood.
Oh, mountain coming up quicker than the bitch. See what I'm saying?
Imagine the struggles in real life. Like trying to shoot
Yeah.
a gun, it's like too cold or something, or your hands are too cold. I couldn't
Dude,
imagine all this.
Bravo Delta is crazy. A lot of motherfuckers coming up.
Wow, I got food killed.
Jared, back off a bit. I want to spawn in.
Where are you?
I'm in.
Flip down.
Grenade going out.
Look, you can't even see these guys.
I got hit mark with a
Down
grenade.
there. 100 yards, I think.
I got the 3 times scope. I can't see these guys. It's crazy.
Got another hit marker.
Oh, fuck.
Got a counter the kill.
Got one.
I was gonna try MG,
Might have a problem over there.
No rest for the wicked.
On the left side.
Got another guy. Yep, I got him.
Grenade incoming, fuck!
Oh, man.
Bitch!
Oh, I got a plane. Yeah, I can see now. There's no snow. Yeah, let's go. Oh, fucking. Okay, I'm gonna cover you guys. Alright, like Tom Cruise and shit.
Got him.
Yeah,
Hold
Trey.
that. I can't.
Have this grenade.
There's a guy right here.
Are you guys advancing on Bravo or Delta?
Go hit on something. Ooh!
Oh, you're the squad. You're a squad leader, Orlando. You put the shit down on. B is it? Okay.
Stay alive.
Yeah,
come
don't. Whole team coming up.
I gotta shoot that.
I got no ammo.
Hey, in front of you, dude. In front of you. This rifle. This
Bloody
fucking
problem over there.
side sucks.
We have lost objective easy.
There's loads behind us.
Forget it.
Behind us
I
on
was trying to
Echo.
get the guy. Yeah, there's too many coming. I was gonna try to get one at the bottom.
In my ass. This bitch was laying there. Oh my god, I jumped over the fence. I saw him go over there. I jumped over the fence and literally jumped on the guy. Run, I didn't see it.
Charlie, Bravo, Charlie, Bravo.
We're going, where we go? We're at Delta.
Charlie.
We're going Charlie to Echo. There's a lot coming over.
Yeah.
Oh wow,
no,
fuck it. Echo's hottest.
Yeah, I know.
Echo's hot. I see half
I know.
the team there.
They're all
I
coming
just sprayed
over.
them too.
They're all coming over.
Yep, we're gonna be only over this way.
Alright, boys, here's some ammo for you motherfuckers.
Ammunition. Use
I'm
it.
gonna spray it again, dude. Oh,
They're
no.
coming, they're coming, they're coming. They're all on me.
That's a grenade.
But I hit somebody,
Oh,
count
I
to the kill.
forgot.
Oh, I
Oh,
got
fuck
somebody.
it.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, you. Nice. Oh, I'm getting rid of. Jump out. Shit. Nah,
Oh, there's a guy right here.
How are you getting
That's
these
too low.
people?
Got two. Double.
Oh, here goes my plane. Ah.
Oh, behind us, what the fuck?
I didn't get out in time.
Who killed you, Jar?
It takes like 10 seconds to get out.
This
Here.
bitch is laying right
in
here.
front of us.
Oh, got hit something, I couldn't. Fuck.
I'm gonna go fucking sniper. Now I can see now. Fuck. Sniping is
I mean, I'm on see if one of these blueberry can pick me up. Oh, fuck! I got picked up and all LMG team take me down back. Alright, what was that? Echo? Bravo Echo? Coming in a bomber.
bad.
Coming in a bomber. Coming in a bomber.
I got 10 guys in there tonight. They all see me too.
Oh, I see them. Look at them.
I need help bad, man. You guys are taking long. I'm fucking, it's hard to explain.
Danger right there!
I'm at motherfucking Charlie, and they're coming. They're coming from
No hits.
the hill, basically. The highest hill there, Charlie. It's hard to explain.
Jet on my fucking ass.
Wow, we got somewhere.
Oh, come on.
Shit.
That's cool. Oh, it's... Yeah, I'm sorry, Gar. My calls get a little better.
Oh, come on. Don't take me out to the fucking zone, you idiot.
Sometimes I don't know where I'm
Man,
at.
let's drop to the ground and die, man. This fucking game sucks sometimes. Come on, run! Run! Run, you feet off, Forrest. Okay. I
I see you,
survived.
man. Good luck. Did
Oh,
you?
man.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna come to you. So
I'm on your ass.
cover you. I think
Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, we're going Echo.
Bloody problem
that's a
over
blueberry.
there.
I thought he shot at you. I thought it was an enemy.
Let me get some
You wanna go this
ammo
way?
and
Let's go
shit.
this way.
Yeah, I'm going that way. I'm grabbing some ammo. Jump out the goddamn plane. I got a weapon that sucks.
Yeah, you got the fucking trench. I hate it, man. I know.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Just cover me if you can. You know what I mean? Until I'll keep moving. They're gonna be an echo, dude. You know what I mean? Some well.
Yep.
You're over this hill, man.
There, we're doing well.
I hear it too. Big stuff, man. Oh,
Guy by the middle, by the flag. Guy by the flag.
I'm not up there yet. I'm not.
I can't see shit.
Grenade from!
Oh, got one.
Oh,
What a
what's
toss.
that? I got killed with a flat gun.
Hang on, Scott. I'm coming. I'm picking up.
I'm gonna shoot that dude in the fucking head. Thanks, bro.
There you go. You up.
I'm shooting that dude right in the fucking head for that. Where's that
I
asshole?
don't know where to get the ammo at here.
You have to take the flag. I'm right by the flag, Jay. Right side of the flag. The flag. Oh shit! No! I was going for the flag gun guy, man. I got just stepped out like the boogeyman. Thank you, medic. Oh, he fucked the medic up. I'm just gonna bleed out because he's gonna kill everybody in the middle right there.
I'm gonna fucking kill that dude. I'm running up on him right now.
Oh no, I'm hitting the mountain.
Oh my god, I hit a fucking mine. From that dude. He's dead now, by the way. Oh, I got promoted off that though. Superior operational from a level 10.
What objective was that, Charlie?
Well, maybe just level 10.
They're taking
Yeah,
Delta.
so I'm on level 19.
I'm gonna go to Alpha.
We have an issue over there.
Oh, I can spawn you, Orlando? Oh, I got you, man. Let's
No,
go.
Whoa, we almost crashed. Hold on, let me get some more rounds.
Right.
There's a jet gonna be on us in a
I ain't
minute.
afraid of danger, dude. You know, I'm putting a quarter in the game. Let's go. Back in my day, we checked for quarters.
Alright, we're going back around for a run. We're going back around. We're going past Echo. They're taking Echo. Okay, where's the Delta's right here? Where's Echo?
Yeah.
Oh shit,
I
game
can see
done?
it. Oh,
Holy crap.
Jump.
I just got beat up.
Look, that's me and Orlando jumping in the background and say, oh, see ya? Oh. That's what Look at these fucking tryhards. Faggot ass killer Joe. Fucking I am thorium? What's that? What's thorium? What's that? What's that?
It's a rectal exam. I don't know.
Rectal? Yeah, it might be. The probe? Like the probe end? Don't get me going, man. I've been trying to be quiet.
I went negative by 1.
Yeah,
I don't
we
know,
go
I
to test
went
range if
positive.
you want. Look at me.
I'm positive, buddy.
Get some vitamin C. Oh.
This game, you get killed a lot. These campers are...
On the next map I can use a DMR.
What map is it?
This song goes out to all my friends incarcerated. And those who was drinking while they was dirty. They should have listened to the song first.
Oh, Twisted Steel. Oh, DMR or Sniper. Which one are you gonna use, guys?
Sniper A. Driver A. I'll turn it down.
I'm gonna use DMR.
Cover my extensive costs.
What's this?
You see, when you change to a DMR, it changes the whole setup. For some reason, change my setup.
Because 2 different classes, Allied and...
No. Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you're right.
Alright. Where we at, boys? Who in the tanks?
I'm not in the tank.
Soldiers, capture and hold as many objectives as you can.
Yeah, put a beacon down somewhere in the midst.
Objective George is ours.
You know what?
Delta.
Objective Easy is ours now.
Put a beacon over here in the bush. Hope they don't find it. Perfect bush over here. Alright, you guys capture Delta. Put a beacon over the bush over here. Yeah. Huh? Huh?
We have lost our first soldier.
Look on that cover this one. Look on that. Okay, where we at, guys? Okay, we're in Alpha Bravo. We got majority of the objective.
There! Looks like trouble!
Oh, your tank. Look under there properly. Water under the cupboard. Look. One case under there. Look. You're blind like a bat. They never see nothing yet.
Alright, I killed the plane. With a little
Nice.
fighter. I like the little fighter better than the bomb.
You can't chat someone. Okay, no, nobody don't want to keep you out of them place. They chat too much when I behave like you're people that size.
Where's the other little plane?
We have an issue over there.
Oh, we got guy on the right. We got guy moving on the right towards Alpha. From Charlie here. Shit. You don't see me. Yes. Marcus. Give me a tag, bitch. Followed your ass. Drink water, man. You drink more juice. Doesn't have you infection otherwise. Go beard, Marcus. Drink your sit now, go beard, Marcus. Go beard. Come kill me back. Sure. Damn kids, man. Unnecessary talking. No man, I just took the guy tag and this kid fucking come and give me a lot of talking. Let the fucking guy come and take my tag again. Take back my tag. Damn kids, man.
Here, grenade!
Oh, I got... What? What? Oh shit.
Oh, I don't have any more ammo. Shit. Oh man, I ran out of ammo. Fuck. I forgot. There you go.
Yeah, a lot of guys right there. What the hell was that? Yeah, sniper down there. Yeah, got a kill. Damn tank! How the hell did he hit me? I'm behind the steel. That's some bullshit.
Oh, got me! Someone help!
I'm behind the steel and the tank hit me. Hit the steel and kill me. Alright, let me change this ×6 scope to some more. Oh my god, JR, guess what? I've not got the ×3 scope for this bad boy yet. I have to just work with this scope. I'm going Delta here. Oh, this means the whole team is here.
Objective dog has been lost.
Got him.
Seems like the whole team is on Delta. Dude, look at the guy.
Be warned, we have lost objective Fox.
Another one I shot down, baby. That's nice.
Dude, I'm in a rock and a hard place. I
Where
don't
you
want to
at?
move. I'm on Delta trying to take it. I just killed one guy. I don't want to
We
move
have taken
because
objective Charlie.
I know fuckers are right by me if I... Shit.
Good job, we have taken objective Baker.
Oh shit, I hear somebody. I must be friendly, but I hear something.
Oh man.
Come on, fine. Hey, Jack.
Yep.
I think somebody
I'm in
found
a
somebody.
jet.
Oh shit, I found an enemy. Oh, where the hell is he? Oh shit. Is he dead?
Spy trouble there!
He's dead.
Objective Baker has been lost.
The guy's still here in Delta.
Man. I'm trying to get this
There
jet.
is.
Where's this
See him?
thing?
One of those scouts!
Woo! There's another one over there. There's two more.
There's the guy on my ass.
Looking at trouble over there.
Good work, objective Baker taken.
Marking them up. Oh shit, bitch right here.
Come on, right underneath the bridge, baby.
Good boy, Jamaican. You know who sings that song?
Oh shit, come on, reload the door.
Eco Mouse, right? Isn't it?
Yeah. Oh fuck,
That's
I was...
one of my favorite.
Damn!
I fall asleep with the Eco Mouse, right? I fall asleep listening like 6 hours and woke up still playing it. That's shooting 40 songs or 30 songs.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Or whatever.
He crashed, baby. Beautiful.
Bread in the oven. Oh, my beacon is still up on Delta, boys. Use the beacon on Delta.
He's got ganja smuggling. That's a great song. Probably his best.
Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes the road boy Jamaican.
Yeah. Is that playing? Oh shit. Oh, I love this man. You really trying to... Oh, I should have owned that guy. I saw. I gotta get like over the... If you can see the bases, you got an idea what that is.
Yeah, I see this guy. I see him.
I'm gonna spawn on you, Orlando. What are you chilling there? Hey, what's that special helmet you got? Guy right in front of you, 20 yards. Oh, that's
Friendly. Trying to let me panic, motherfucker.
What's that helmet you got? Wait, how come you got a gas mask on?
Dude, I don't understand this game sometimes.
He crashed.
I just take whatever they give me.
You got a gas mask. Press up or something to get rid of it on D-pad. That's what Battlefield 1 is. I think, right, MG? How do you get rid of gas mask? Up on D-pad?
No, you have to do it from the layout, from the layout menu.
Well, you can't take it off?
No. Only from the main screen you can change your character head and all that.
You look like that dude from that one day.
Attention, objective Fox has been lost.
Got a big gun right there. I'm going up into Gulf, guys. Where you at? Are your enemies?
I got a spot. I got a spot here pretty soon. I'm gonna move out.
Fuck!
Come on, where is this guy? I'm going slow as shit and I can't catch him.
Behind me! Woo wee! Ooh wee!
Shit, where's these planes at?
We have taken objective easy. Good job.
There he is.
The room gets hot from the furnace, too hot, so you open the window, right?
He was in
Well, it's 10 degrees
Foxtrot. We're
outside.
taking Foxtrot.
So within
I'm
2
pushing
minutes,
Bravo to
you're freezing your nuts off.
Man, I'm going back to Gulf.
Bet you don't miss them days, huh? Fuck that. You know, we had the opportunity to go down there. We were small.
Oh no, I'm crashing.
My mother just retired in the state, you know? And I got my own little bit, you know what I mean? So I'm not like a burden that much. Really.
Where you guys at?
Heading towards Gulf. I see enemies moving to the left.
Oh, the grass.
Damn, I did pretty good in that airplane. I got 3 kills. That was a Spitfire.
Attention, objective dog
Yeah,
has been
that's
lost.
that one of those old Spitfires.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are supposed to be the shit, right? Like real fast, moving.
Yeah.
Watch it, Jar. Watch it, Jar.
I see it.
I don't even know what I'm in.
Another guy coming right above us, right in front of us. Oh, come on, man. I have my DMR on. I don't have my machine gun. He's still there.
The guy by the truck around there.
I'm
Objective Charlie is ours.
I'm overlooking.
Fuck!
Wherever the fuck you call that.
Where are you at?
Wire bomb. Strip wire bomb.
There's a guy behind
Bumbo
us,
clot!
remember?
Fuck him, fuck him, fuck him.
What are you kidding me? He just killed me. Digital script.
Oh no, I'm just trying to take an old squad in the middle of Gulf right there, dude. There's a whole team right there,
Yeah,
man.
but that one guy took you out. I know.
I know, I
told you, he's right behind you.
got 2 of them, but I heard him, man. I couldn't turn around, man. I'm trying to get somebody. We're losing Delta again. Oh, we got a plane. I'm taking this plane.
Okay.
What objective was that? Gulf?
Where are you at here? I'm on Delta here.
Nothing.
Is that Delta we were on?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm on Delta now.
No, that was the Gulf we were on. So my bad.
Motherfucker. Sorry.
Objective dog is ours.
It was an echo.
Be aware that we have now lost
Look at
objective
that thing
easy.
on your feet. Why you got one around
How
your
do you know I'm here, dude? Come on,
Hey,
this guy
Crash.
digital detect again. And he's shooting me 1.5 that fast? How is he shooting me that fast? It was like a machine gun he shot me that.
See big Scott up in the air.
Yeah, what is this thing I'm flying? Oh.
Return to the combat area.
Ah, where we going, bro? We lost Delta.
I'm at Delta right here, but I don't see these guys.
Guys in the smoke. Oh, we got tank. We got tank. Oh shit! I crashed.
Objective box is ours.
Lord clot. Oh yeah, JR.
Yeah, I know.
Delta.
Spawn on me. These guys
They
are
found-
right here.
They found my beacon. Shit.
We have lost our control of objective
Come on, man. I
Beta.
can't hit this guy and kill
I'm
him.
trying to spawn on you. Oh, where? Where? Oh shit!
Look, yo, this is bullshit, dude.
As I
He killed
spawned in
you
on you,
too?
you turn around, you fucked up both of us.
Oh. That guy flew
Yo,
through me when I jumped out
I
of the
shot-
fucking plane.
I shot the shit out of that guy. Come on, man. That's just
Got
bullshit.
killed by a fucking plane.
I'm jumping back in the spawn. Going to Gulf. You're taking back Gulf again.
Right there, look out!
Yeah, I jumped out of the plane that was shooting down. Fucking.
Go on, go.
Yeah, I'm not the best. You know
Bomber up in the sky.
This one sucks because you're just the back. What do you want, a Spitfire?
No. We got bomber right here. In front of
Oh,
us.
this gun is better. You know that?
From the updated. Oh, we got a Spitfire on our ass.
Okay. Hold on.
Objective easy is now ours.
Got the shit out of it.
Oh, I'm in a good spot.
Just stay that height.
Halfway there, and we're winning this.
Guy behind us, JJ.
I'm shooting at him, but you can't keep going up and down because I can't kill him.
I was chasing the bomber in front.
I can't kill these guys.
Okay, I'm leveling off. I'm leveling off.
There you go. Damn.
Trying to rep.
That pulls faster than I thought. I've been
Damn,
missing a
how
lot
many
with
bullets
sniper
does this guy
rifle.
take?
I'm gonna
How many
die.
bullets does this guy take, dude?
Hey, JR, you're not using a DMR, are you?
I was.
Like honestly. Oh, well, I'm just saying, I noticed like rifles with DMR mode or whatever, single fire really.
That's what it
Back up.
is. Yeah, but
Yeah,
had
I
my
won't use it as a-
Ryobi's or whatever it was, and I was up close shooting this dude, and
We
he
are
still wasn't
losing
down.
objective able.
And
Yeah.
he turns around and shoots me and you.
That was me.
Yeah, I kind of snipe a lot. So I got hit. My assault rifle.
Here comes one in front of us.
Pretty solid right now. I'm
I'm
gonna
getting
get
hits.
this.
Hey, what plane is this, Lambo?
I'm not even sure, dude. Let's switch up the planes and I don't know what I do. We're losing
This
Alpha.
one's
Where's
better.
Alpha?
The gun's on. Listen, the
Capture
gun is
the
on top,
objective!
and you can spin all the way around on this gun. over there.
Oh! I disabled a tank down there. No, no, that was me. I went too long.
Look right in front of us.
Yeah, I know, I'm
Right
repairing.
in front of us.
I'm repairing.
I'm hitting him. I'm hitting him.
Disable a tank on Alpha.
This plane is a lot better. I don't know what plane this is, but this plane is a lot better.
Be aware that objective Charlie has been lost. Objective Dog is now
Disable the tank again. He's not dead?
I don't get it, but they hit you once, you're done.
Yeah. I have to go for a dive bomb on his ass then by the looks of it. Okay, got the bombs. Bombs loading in. Loading the bomb bay. Gaining altitude. By the time I get back there, the bomb should be ready. This is scream like a bitch now.
Oh, here goes the little guy right underneath us. See? No hit.
Oh, there's a tank, there's a tank, there's a tank.
We have an issue over there.
Not even a hit.
Yeah. That's our plane.
The tank is still on Alpha here at JJ. There is.
Danger over at this position.
Is that enemy tank right there, right?
Fire.
Alpha. You got 2 on the way to Alpha.
I hit that Spitfire. You see that
Nice
Spitfire
shot.
in front of us?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
Yeah.
right in front of us, Rambo.
turning over.
Where'd he go?
You think he went to the left.
Yeah.
Going back to Alpha, there's a tank holding down Alpha, trying to get him out. Don't see him.
Passing to your assist. We got him.
Got a bomber ahead of our friend.
There you go. Follow him. Let me shoot him. You can shoot him too.
I think it's friendly.
Shoot the bomber. Oh, that's
Friendly.
a friendly, yeah. Yeah, that's a friendly.
We got bomber to the left. See him? Way in the distance.
No.
Left. Going high. Right there.
No, I can't.
He's coming towards us. Got hits.
Yeah, but you're going up higher.
That's the fucker right here. Let's go. Did he crash?
In this gun, I'm on top. So if you go lower than that, I can shoot you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got
Where you
you.
coming from? Got another vehicle hit again.
And drop these bombs off on our objective.
Take an objective easy.
Here he comes again with a Spitfire. Straight to your left. See him straight ahead now? See that guy?
Get hits for 5.
I got hits too. Go lower, go lower. I got another hit on him.
There's a Spitfire on his ass.
Oh, there was a
Alright,
guy
we're going
behind
Charlie.
us.
We're losing Charlie. Gonna bomb Charlie. We trace Charlie though. Shit. Sure, it's fucking Charlie. You get used to this goddamn map.
Oh, straight ahead of us.
Oh, Charlie's over here. Oh shit, I have to come back, Jerry. We gotta come back on this Charlie run right here. The tank leaving Charlie. Fuck. Altitude, bitch!
Be my last round. 420. God, that's We've been celebrating for 10 years. Got my skills. And that's me.
Bitch, bummer.
I can't hit him. I'm a finger.
Jump, Jai, jump.
You're on fire, man.
No.
Yeah. I was
Could not even jump, but he could not even jump.
Oh shit.
I took your tag. I seen that.
Who's tag?
Jeez, I think. That's up, MG.
Alright, where we at? We're going in there.
He's like, I can't get out of the way. I see you.
Call.
Let's go to Alpha. 400 yards. Probably gonna meet people right away. It's all grenade.
Shoot at the bridge. Once you take the bridge, you can shoot down and kill these guys.
I'm just gonna
Shoot up and kill them.
I'm tactical bird. Stupid.
Oh fuck! I didn't even see that guy. He killed you, MG?
You said fancy seeing you and one on it. You would say something like that, wouldn't you? Fancy seeing you. Okay.
I put beacon in the tree.
MG, when you spawned at me, you said, fancy seeing you there, your guy.
Yeah.
You would say something like that.
Straight across.
Watch over
Fancy
here!
seeing you there.
Enemy straight across.
We have lost objective George.
Here, big stuff happening.
This guy was just standing here.
Shit. Oh.
Well done. We've taken objective easy.
Fuck.
Got trouble, MG. You want me to help you out or no? I mean, I can't.
Behind us.
I got a plane, man. It don't say what plane you're in, huh?
Lost objective dog.
You guys need
They're
help?
alive,
with
Lambo.
it? Okay. Where are they? Across you guys?
Oh.
Are they in that building where you just were there, JR?
Yeah, where
No,
my body
cross.
is. They're in that building.
Okay. Alright, I saw where you were. I just flew over you. Probably heard it or something. Yeah. Alright, back.
Where that tank is burning everybody.
I'm on the beacon.
Almost there. We're
What
doing
class is
well.
that? The beacon.
Haha, this guy was on top of the tank. The enemy was on top of the bluebird tank. Holy shit, bluebird didn't see him. I got the kill.
Yeah.
They're coming from the back road. He ain't picking up shit, bitch. Oh! Yeah.
Oh, get
man.
rid of, man.
Hold on.
Holy crap.
This guy's shooting at me. Come on. Pick him up. It's not letting me pick you up. I'm dancing.
I'm gonna land my plane ready to eat.
Come on, up and turn the show off. Thank you, Jay. Oh, Big Scott dead.
No, I'm not dead. What do you mean? No, man. I'm still alive. You just jinxed me, man. I'm still alive.
Come on, I no scope this. Look at that skill assist and squad assist and beacon and all that shit at one point.
Agony! Medic!
Oh, come. Digital decrypt again. Yo, I shot that dude in the head.
Yeah, I used the STG-44.
Till I found my beacon.
What do you use now?
I'm gonna try to snap down from the building if I can make it. Come on!
Use the support
From the
drone or
bridge.
something, I see.
I'm sniping. There, look at them down there.
We're in trouble over there.
Got a hit on one.
Oh my god, bro. Fucking
Objective George is now lost.
Teabag,
Wow,
bitch!
I seen that blood splatter. move.
Teabag, bitch! Busting off the mid from the bridge down on Alpha. Marcus! Hey, look at them, man, look at them, look at them!
Oh, I just got sniped. I didn't get killed, but I got sniped. From the right.
Guys coming up.
I'm feeling here.
Headshot!
Fuck. You
Fire
guys,
cover me and
I
stuff.
killed.
We have an issue over there.
Oh shit, Jerry, hang on, I'm trying to pick it, but I can't. Hang on, I'm trying. They may kill my ass, but I'm getting it. Shit, I'm getting hit, I got hit. Evasive maneuvers.
Okay, to the right. You know what? Come this way, Orlando.
I'm watching them. Yeah. How the hell is this fucking bitch in me? Got you, bitch.
Oh, watch your right. Watch your right. He's
What?
coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up on your right hand side.
You got me.
I hear the music.
Come on.
Yeah.
I'm hit.
Attention.
I need help.
Lost objective Fox.
Big, they're coming up, Biggie.
Yeah, it's over.
Couldn't even spawn in on you.
Yeah, that was my last one.
Yeah, me too. For a
Pizza.
little while.
I guess you're all getting off, huh?
Well, I went 0 and 8. I must just sell it or. Oh, I downloaded.
Nah, this game, you get killed a lot. You get
Yeah.
killed a lot. From far away, that's the difference with 4 and this.